Klarna didn't fail at AI, they succeeded too fast and exposed a deeper problem. In early 2024, Klarna made headlines. The buy now, pay later giant announced that its AI chatbot was handling two-thirds of all customer service chats, doing the equivalent work of roughly 700 agents. It processed millions of conversations, cut response times from 11 minutes to about 2 minutes, and helped drive an estimated 40 million boost in actual profit. On paper, it looked like a complete win. Faster, cheaper, scalable. But here's the trap. Speed is not the same as resolution. AI handled the volume, but complex issues didn't disappear. They piled up somewhere else. We call this the second order impact. When you optimize one layer of work, you don't remove friction. You just relocate it. Or more bluntly, AI doesn't remove work. It displaces responsibility. Klarna's AI was excellent at answering questions, but harder problems still needed judgment, negotiation, and accountability. So Klarna adjusted, not by abandoning AI, but by moving toward a hybrid model. Machines for scale, humans for complexity. Because removing humans didn't eliminate work, it just changed where the work shows up. Here's the real lesson every CEO must know. AI is not a cost-cutting tool. It's a system redesign tool. If you treat it like a machete, you'll cut capacity that you still need. Humans are not overhead. They are your load-bearing structures when systems break. The winners won't be the ones who replace people fastest. They will be the ones who redesign work best.